making Spanish soup. Okay, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I'm making a Spanish carrot soup with some sweet potato niblets. Check it out. Alright, I'm going to start by chopping up an onion. I think one important thing about this soup, most of my recipes, if not all of them, are vegetarian. But you could easily add some fish at the very end of this, like some cod or some haddock. You could pan-sear some scallops to make this a really nice Spanish fish chowder. But for this, I'm going to go with vegetarian. Got my onions sauteing up, and then I'm going to let those get just translucent. Mix those around a little bit. Then I'm going to add my spices. Give those just a few seconds to warm the spices up, get them cooking. Add in the carrots, give those a nice stir, and then I'm going to fill it up with water. I'm going to add more water later, so I'm just looking to top the carrots with water, not add too much. I'm going to peel my sweet potato, and I'm going to chop these sweet potatoes into pretty small cubes. I just think it fits better with the soup, and pouring on top of the soup than having big chunks of sweet potato. They also cook a little bit faster, and they hold more spice and get caramelized, so it's just a nice way of doing it. So there you can see little tiny cubes of sweet potatoes, or niblets as I decided to call it. Add some olive oil and the spices. Give that a good stir, and then I'm going to turn that out onto a baking sheet with parchment. I love roasting things on parchment. It just makes everything so much better. No sticking. Works really, really well. Those will be in the oven for about 40 minutes. The soup has been boiling for about the same amount of time, about 40 minutes. Hit it with the immersion blender, add a little more water, get it up to soup consistency. Don't want baby food, we want soup. Add salt to taste. Pull our niblets out, and then we're ready to assemble our soup. I have no idea why I cut the lime this way, but I only had one lime, so that's the way we're cutting it. I'm going to put some nice hot soup in the bowl. Use a dollop of yogurt, completely optional. Add the niblets, and then that's pretty much it. We're ready to taste the soup. Alright, so we have our soup assembled. I'm going to put a lime juice on there, and I'm going to try it out. Warm, delicious. Oh, so good. Well, until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.